Okay, this is our fifth and probably final um, part of our Vuvox.com tutorial. So we are pretty far along here building our timeline, okay, and organizing pictures and some text and our hotspot down here. So next up I'm going to combine two things and into one here, and we're going to use a cutout, something called a cutout, and then we're going to insert the video there to show you how video plays, and then just show you a couple other optional things, and then finish it off here. So I am going to take this, I got this old TV set picture because I just thought ahead of time that of how I wanted to show this video. Okay, and so I bring it up on the stage and I'm going to click once on it, and then I get this scissors button. Okay, and you can see it says draw transparent areas on this image. And I click the scissors button. I'm going to hit start here, and we can use an eraser to erase part of the picture. We can use a rectangle to get rid of parts of the picture we want, or the polygon if it's not a good shape. Okay, so I'm going to stick with the polygon here. I'm going to put an anchor there, maybe an anchor here, an anchor here, down there, right here. I'll go back and use the eraser for the other parts. Okay, when I connect them, then I get an invisible part. Okay, and I'm going to go back. I'm going to grab the eraser and then fill in the edges. It just wasn't a perfect square here. But if you have an easy shape that you want to get rid of part of a picture, just use the rectangle or that polygon, and it makes it very easy to do. Okay. Otherwise, here you kind of just have to be careful because it's going to erase everything I go over with the eraser. Like there, I slipped, but not a big deal. Okay, so we can erase that part of the picture, and we could put something else there. Again, the layering. So this is kind of fun. You can be creative with this, put whatever you want. So I could have this TV show, whatever TV show I want. Okay, so I've removed that inside part of it, and I'm going to hit save. Now it's saving a copy like this. It's not getting rid of my TV picture, but I'm going to have this on the stage now. Okay, so there's my picture. You can see down here my regular picture is still there. Okay, but now I have this TV with the hole cut out in the middle. And then for the fun part, I'm going to grab and go to video. So in my library, grab my video. Okay, I want to grab the Harry Carey video. Now when the video comes on the stage, it's going to be pretty big here. So I'm going to move it off to the side, and it goes in length of time. So if you have a long video, it goes really long here. But you can resize them just like you can resize anything else. So I'm going to grab the handle, just keep dragging it down, move it up so we can see it. So it gets to be a workable size. Okay, gives you a better idea. And I'm going to put it right in here. Actually, I probably didn't even need to erase all that stuff. I'm going to fit it in there. So it looks like, had I not messed up down here, that this is what they were watching on TV. Now it's not 100% perfect, but pretty close. Okay, so it looks like that's what's on TV. Okay, we hit play down here, and hopefully you can see. You probably can't hear it, but you can see the video. Okay, it is playing in the TV. I'm going to pause that, and some options for the video. So I'm going to click options. You can have the video continue to play. You can have the video autoplay, so that when a person scrolls to this point on your collage, it's going to start playing automatically. Otherwise, they would have to click the play button. So if you don't change anything, a user or a person would have to click on the play button to play the video. So that's the default. Otherwise, I like this option. I'm going to autoplay it, and I'm going to put play only on rollover. And I'll show you that here in a second. So now, well, I'll have to preview it. So I'm going to go up to preview. Okay, go to the beginning of my timeline here. Got my hotspot. Okay, visit Cubs.com. Click that. There's my Cubs.com. Okay, I can move down, look at the pictures with my timeline bar here. Okay, or I can hit play. It'll start moving for me. Okay, and my mouse can control it too. But then here comes my video. I'm just going to take my mouse. When I roll over, it plays. Pretty cool. Okay, again, I'm in preview mode right now, so this is actually what the collage will look like. See, I took my mouse over off the video and it stopped playing. Okay, playing, not playing. It's a pretty cool thing. I'm going to go back to return to edit. Okay, and when you're finally done, so I mean, I've showed you. I'm not going to continue for another hour making the entire thing, but from start to finish, we organized our thoughts on paper, we organized images, we organized videos, created an account, got the stage going, we imported to our library, and then I would just continue out here with my players, okay, and building this thing to to how I wanted it to go from start to finish. Okay, so I was starting in 1984. Here, I'll show one more up there. Of course, you guys were not even born then, but in 1984, the Cubs were really good, if you can believe it. Okay, so that's the basics. That's how to do it. And then when you're done, we got to save. So we hit save. Okay, and it's saved as that. And then I will show you in class. We're going to go to publish. Okay, we will make it public, which is fine, or you can leave it as a draft, doesn't really matter. And then we click OK. And then here's your finished collage. It will come up here in a minute. And we're going to use this, either this embed code or get the link. So you can copy and paste a link to your collage, or you can hit the embed to get the embed code. Okay. So here's the link. Here's the embed code until I put it on Schoology. You just copy and paste that, which we've already done with other stuff. Okay, or again the link. So you have those same things there. And there's your link. Okay. And again, here's your timeline. So again, your mouse can control where you go, or the play button goes and plays. You can full screen it. Your full screen one here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Get down to my video. Awesome. This is a really cool website. This is phenomenal. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find places to use it in your other classes, because this is a really cool site. Okay, so that'll wrap it up, and you can pick up or begin your own project.